Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to repay a loan on Nexo. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to repay a loan on Nexo. The first thing you need to do is to open the Nexo mobile app and log in with your email address and password if prompted. From the home screen, tap on Credit Hub. And this is typically, of course, found in the main menu or your account overview, and that's going to take you to the Credit Hub window. From this window, you will see a list of your active loans. Go ahead and select the specific loan you want to repay. In the loan details, now I don't have any loan here, so I'm just going to walk you through. In the loan details, you can review the total outstanding amount, including the principal and any accrued interest. Now, decide if you want to repay the entire loan amount or a specific portion. You'll see options for repaying the full outstanding amount and custom repayment method. That's custom repayment method if you prefer to pay a portion. Choose how you want to make the payment. You can typically repay using available crypto assets in your Nexo wallet if allowed for your loan type, or you can choose fiat currency from your Nexo balance. Now review the payment details, including the amount you are paying and the payment method selected. Tap Confirm to initiate the repayment. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app to confirm the transaction. After confirming, the repayment will be processed. You receive a notification once the repayment is successful. Once the repayment is completed, return to the Credit Hub to verify that the outstanding amount has been updated and check your loan status. By following the steps, you can successfully repay a loan on Nexo. Regularly repaying your loans helps maintain your borrowing power and avoids any potential penalties or interest accrual. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.